Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save a .tax file from Turbotax Online. This is really useful if you want to keep a local backup of your tax return on your computer for your records or to share with a tax professional. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your TurboTax app. To do this, open any browser on your computer and head to turbotax.intuit.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials associated with your tax return. After you've entered your information, give it a moment to load fully so all your account details and tax returns are accessible. Once your account has loaded and you can see your dashboard, we're ready to begin saving that tax file. Look over to your left navigation menu. This is where you'll find all the major features and tools TurboTax offers. From this menu, click on Tax Tools. When you click this, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Tools. This will open up the Tools Center where you can access various features related to your tax return management. A small options window will appear, which is the Tools Center. This is essentially your hub for managing and accessing different functionalities within TurboTax. From here, look for the option that says Save Your 2025 Return to your computer. This is the key feature we need. When you click on this option, it opens up a File Explorer window. This window allows you to select the directory where you wish to save your file. Think about where you'd like to store this important document. Maybe you have a specific folder for tax documents or financial records. Simply navigate to the location where you wish to save your tax file, and once you've chosen the right spot, click on Save. That's it. You've successfully saved your .tax file from TurboTax Online directly to your computer. This local copy ensures you have access to your tax return even without logging into TurboTax Online, which can be incredibly helpful for record keeping or offline access. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.